In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ section in Elementor in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to creating websites, adding a FAQ section can significantly enhance the user's experience by addressing common questions. Let's dive right in. To start, log into your WordPress site, enter your credentials, and navigate to your dashboard. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, locate the sidebar on the left. Here, you'll want to click on Pages. This section lists all the pages that currently exist on your site and is also where you can add new ones. Next, click on Add New to create a new page for your FAQ section. This step will open a new canvas for you to start building. Go ahead and name your page something relevant like FAQ or frequently asked questions. Once you've chosen a name, click on Publish. This will make the page live, although it won't have any content yet. Now, for the exciting part, click on Edit with Elementor. This powerful tool lets you design your pages visually and intuitively. Once Elementor loads, find the panel on the left side of the screen and click on Elements. This section provides you with a variety of widgets and tools to enhance your page. In the search bar, type Accordion. The accordion widget is ideal for FAQ sections because it neatly organizes questions and answers, saving space and improving site navigation. Once you locate the widget, drag and drop it onto the page section where you want your FAQ to appear. This action will automatically create a series of collapsible items you can use. Now you're on your way to creating a functional FAQ page. You can start by adding your questions and answers into the boxes provided in the accordion. If your FAQ needs more entries, click on Add Item to insert additional rows. This allows you to keep the information well structured and easy to browse. Elementor offers various customization options to tailor the look and feel of your FAQ section to fit your site's aesthetic. Experiment with what works best visually and functionally for your users. Adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to ensure readability and appeal. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only created a FAQ page, but also learned how to use some of Elementor's dynamic features. Remember, a well-crafted FAQ page not only saves you time from answering common queries, but also improves your user interface, making your site more professional and user-friendly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on enhancing your website. See you in the next video.